At first, this farmhouse looks almost too simple. Then the roof takes over. It stretches long and low. It follows the quiet rhythm of the landscape. It does not need dormers. It does not need decorative gables. It does not need to compete for attention. The roof becomes the whole idea. Its gentle slope gives the house a grounded silhouette. It feels traditional, yet it also feels completely fresh. Morning light moves across the roof in long bands. Shadows deepen beneath the eaves. The walls stay calm and restrained. The landscape remains part of the composition. That restraint is important. It gives every proportion more weight. It makes every opening feel deliberate. It turns shelter into an architectural statement. Inside, the same idea continues. The spaces feel open and connected. The structure does not fight the interior. Instead, it gives the rooms a clear rhythm. This is why the house feels complete, not because it has more, because it knows what to leave out. The roof frames the home. It protects it. It gives it identity. It also connects it to the fields around it. As the day changes, the architecture changes with it. Light becomes decoration. Shadow becomes texture. The roof becomes a quiet canvas. This farmhouse proves something simple. Less only works when the remaining elements are strong. Here, the proportions are strong, the materials are quiet, the roof is confident. And because of that, everything else can finally breathe.